Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GuitarTuna app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you can search about GuitarTuna. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.